Hints to the exercise 20B. It is quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals whose diagonals are 30 and one diagonal and perpendicular to the diagonals are 19 and 11. So this is combination of the two triangles. First triangle area is half into base into height, and second also half into base is same and another height. It is sum of two triangles, triangle 1 and 2. Area of triangle 1 and area of triangle 2. So here you can substitute. This is half into 30 into 11. This is half into 30 into 19. You can simplify to get the answer. Question number 2 is, here in this quadrilateral you are given two diagonals. Whenever the diagonals are perpendicular, then the area is half into d1 into d2. In this case you are given d1 to be 16 and d2 is given to be 13. So you can substitute and solve. Now in question number 3, you are given a right angle triangle, right angled at B, and a equilateral triangle. So quadrilateral ABCD is the combination of two triangles. So this is also area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. Now area of triangle 1 is base into height we can do, but we are not knowing the third side. We are knowing the base, we are not knowing the perpendicular, we are knowing the hypotenuse. So we firstly will work in this to find the height of this right angle triangle. That will be 26 square minus 24 square. We will calculate it to be 10. And area of the second triangle is an equilateral triangle. So area of triangle 1 will be taken as half into base into height, and second will be taken as root 3 by 4 a square. So a is 24, base is 24 and height is 10. You will substitute and solve. Now in question number 4, there are two triangles. One is given to be right angle triangle, another is given to be the isosceles triangle. For right angle triangle, again you will find the third side which will be used in. This is again area of triangle 1 and plus area of triangle 2. So let us see how to work in. For triangle 1, you know directly half into base into height, where base is given to be 24 and height is given to be 32. But for the triangle 2, you have to find this hypotenuse BD. BD will be square root of 24 square plus 32 square. You will simplify it for B, and knowing this BD, then you will use the S formula. That is the Heron formula to find the this will turn out to be 40. So you will have 40 plus 52 upon 2. You will find it. I think this will turn out to be 72. And using this S, you can find the area by using the Heron formula. And addition, you will substitute it over here to find your answer. Now next is the perimeter is given to be 3/5 of the length for a rectangle whose length and breadth are